In WhatsApp now there is a feature called disappearing message. What that means is after some times that messages will be automatically deleted. Anyways, we have done one video about disappearing message, how to enable and disable disappearing messages. Video link is given in the description. If you are interested, you can check that video. The thing is that after enabling disappearing message, that messages will be deleted after certain time. If you don't want certain messages to be deleted, you can do that also. There is one option in WhatsApp for that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to do that. For this, first what we need to do is take your smartphone, and after taking your smartphone, open WhatsApp application. For example, I am selecting this chat. Now I am enabling disappearing message in this chat. To enable disappearing message, above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. Here you can see one option, disappearing messages. You can select whichever timer you want. You can either select 24 hours, 7 days or 90 days. For example, I have selected 24 hours. Now disappearing message is enabled. After that, I am sending some message. Now these messages will be deleted from your WhatsApp after 24 hours. But for example, if you don't want to delete this conversation from this chat, what you need to do is long press on this conversation. After that, above you can see one option like this. Click on this button. When you are clicking on that, you can see a sign like this. Now this message will not be deleted from your WhatsApp even after 24 hours. So like this, you can keep whichever conversation you want. Just click on this conversation and click on this keep sign. And one thing you should notice that if you are selecting one conversation, you can see this keep sign. But if you are selecting multiple conversations, you cannot see that sign. So you should select only one conversation at a time. And one more thing is that now I have enabled keep option for this conversation. If opposite person in that chat is selecting that message and deciding to remove this keep option, they can do that. If that person is removing it from keep also, your message will be deleted after certain period of time. And if you want to remove it from keep, what you need to do is long press on this message and again click on that keep option. When you are clicking on that, you can see OK option. Click on OK. Now that message will be removed from keep option. So this way you can keep some messages in WhatsApp even after enabling disappearing messages. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.